Something else that's come up over the last few weeks is TIBCO have done a really nice job of implementing a COVID live dashboard with live data, updates, trend analysis. If you haven't checked that out, then Google TIBCO and COVID and you'll find your way there. Lots of really good analytic content on there. But something that people have liked is this long kind of layout they have in their Spotfire analysis, broken up into different sections with graphs and text, and the ability to scroll down through that and drive into the portion of the analysis that you want to explore. So I thought I'd let you guys know how they achieved that. Let me come back here and show you something. So down here, we can go, if you right click a page, this is page dependent, so it'll be for each page. You can go to page layout options in version 10. I'll show you how this is done in version 7.11 as well. That pop-out window is there in 7.11 too for people that have 7.11, so you can explore that. But here's where you set when you get the stacked visuals, so at what pixel width you start to stack the visuals on top of one another that I showed earlier. And if I enable this height less than option here, and maybe set this to be, 1800 or, 2000 pixels, I can now start to lay out my visuals. I get this long page. It's now 2000 pixels in length, and I can choose to lay out my visuals as I want to in there. So for example, if I want some dividers, I can drop in a text area in there. I can edit that text area and maybe do a background fill. And then I can drag those to where I need them. So if I want to have it below that particular bar chart, I can do that. If I want to stack in my scatter plot below that, again, if I want to add another text area in here, I can come down and position that, for example, beside my scatter plot, add some text and annotations in here. So using that increased page height, you can build a nice, long, scrollable analysis, and again, increase the amount of screen estate that you have available to a particular page. And I've polished up one a little bit more just to show you, but it's the same combination of things I've done that I've just showed you. Got a text area at the top here with an image background, a graph and a text area beside it with some annotations, a divider, same combination of text area and graph, and again, a divider and a combination of text area and graph.